Okay, so I was really wanting to print out an Atari Lynx stand for on my desk here, because I figure, I'm going to do some stuff with it here in the near future. So I figured it'd be nice to have a nice little stand for it. But looking on here, I was going to go with this one here, but unfortunately I only have Lynx written on the one side, and the pieces that are on here, so on this one here, Lynx is not written on the side, and they only include one file of this and then the base plate. So the Lynx is not even written on the inside, so that way you could print that same one. I guess that's my OCD on that one. I want to see that writing in the correct direction when I put it into the other side as well. So no matter where it's sitting, people can see that written on the side. If that lettering was on there as well, or the file for that included, I'd probably be more inclined to print this. But this one here was going to be over a 10-hour print, and that's a little hefty in my books. So let's go back. This one says it's for an Atari 2. This one here up in the corner here, this one here has already had makes. So I think we're gonna try this one here. It says for an Atari Lynx 2, but I wonder if it'll work for either that, or we just go even simpler with this one here. And this is just 2 blocks. Oh, but this is an Atari Lynx 2. So once again, I'm not going to be 100% sure if that's going to fit my unit. So, but with this one, it looks like I can bump it over and into it. I don't know. Maybe we'll have to design something at some time, maybe. But let's go ahead. I'm going to like this one. Put that into my collections. I'm going to download this one. We're just going to print it out. We're going to try and see if it works. If not, not the end of the world. And I love that it actually has the inset writing in there. So I'm going to download these, put it into a repeater host, and get this print going. So here's our stand here. So let's just go slicer, slice with Cura. I'm probably going to have to set this back a bit on the tray. Yeah, just under 4 hours. So yeah, we're gonna go with this one, and if it doesn't work, well, I guess I'll have to find an Atari Lynx 2 to fill it. And not the end of the world, right? Alright, so we're gonna place it there just because of the GoPro mount on the bed. So we're gonna go 2mm. I'm gonna add a brim just because I don't know, it's just what I do. I don't care. So slice it, and we'll head over to Octoprint. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead, let this finish uploading here, get the printer going, and we will do the time lapse right now. Okay, so JVD W007, awesome. I want to say that looks pretty darn good. I do like it. I'm going to get this cleaned up. I'm going to get it set up, and let's get the Lynx on there and see if it fits. All right, well, that works absolutely perfect. That is awesome. So thank you, JVDW007. Great design. I'm glad I printed it and took a chance on it. It didn't take long to print, and yeah, solid. All right, so there's the stand. That's looking pretty fresh, and like I had there just a moment ago, the Lynx sitting on top of there. That looks pretty darn good. And I'll be able to tuck this away on my desk here and be able to grab it whenever I want to play. Nice. I like this one. Great job. So if you like these builds, make sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and if you have something on Thingiverse you'd like to see me print and check out and see what I think of it, let me know in the comment section below. And for now, thanks for watching, everyone. Have a wonderful day, a wonderful week, and we'll see you next time. Take care, eh?